Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time.
Hello, my children. Welcome to our class, Grade 1. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm great. Are you ready? Let's go. Today we learn Unit 5. This is my nose. Lesson 3. Sounds and letters. Everyone, look at the letter and listen, please.
Letter A. Apple. Letter A. Apple.
Letter A. Apple. Your turn, please. Repeat. Good job. And what next letter? Listen, please.
Letter B. Bat. Letter B. Bat.
Let me repeat. Letter B. Bat. Your turn, please. Good job. What's letter? Now listen, please.
Letter C. Cat. Letter C. Cat.
Let me repeat. Letter C. Cat. Your turn, please. Repeat. Good job.
Letter D. Dog. Letter D. Dog.
Letter D. Dog. Your turn. Repeat, please. Good job. All of you, listen, point, and repeat. Are you ready? First, listen and point.
Listening 65. Listen and point.
Letter A. Apple. Letter B. Bat. Letter C. Cat. Letter D. Dog. Letter B. Bat. Letter D. Dog. Letter A. Apple. Letter C. Cat.
Well done. Listen and repeat.
Listen and repeat.
Letter A. Apple.
Letter A. Apple.
Letter B. Bat.
Letter B. Bat.
Letter C. Cat.
Letter C. Cat.
Letter D. Dog.
Letter D. Dog. Good job. Let's move on. Listen and chant.
Listen and chant.
This is an apple. Apple. This is a bat. Bat. This is a cat. Cat. This is a dog. Dog.
Good job. We have 2 more words. You look at and listen.
Letter B. Tub.
Letter B. Tub. Your turn, please. Repeat. Good job. Listen, please.
Letter D. Bird.
Letter D. Bird. Your turn. Repeat, please. Good job. Let's play game together. Listen game. Let's start. What's this? And look at the picture. Yes, apple. Net. Order the letter. Good. Bat. Net. What letter is missing? Yet. Letter D. Dog. Good job. Listen and choose. Good job. Cat. It's time to do exercises. All of you, open your book, page 38. Have you finished yet? Good job. Number 1. Trace the correct sound. Number 1 example. Number 2, 3, and 4. You do the same. Exercise 2. Write. Number 1 example. 2, 3, 4. You do the same. Exercise 3. Match. You look at example. The order. You do the same. Copy the words. You look at example. The order. You copy the same. It's time to say goodbye and see you again.